Have you ever wondered where your vessel will actually end up after being affected by currents? Even if your ship maintains the correct course and speed through the water, the current continuously pushes the vessel sideways. As a navigator, you need to predict where the ship will be after a certain period of time. This predicted location is called the estimated position, or EP. In this video, you'll learn how to plot the estimated position using the set and drift on a navigational chart. Let's begin. What is an estimated position? An estimated position, or EP, is the position of the vessel after accounting for the effects of external forces such as current set and drift, wind, leeway. Unlike dead reckoning position, which assumes no external forces, the estimated position provides a more realistic prediction of where the vessel will actually be. What are set and drift? Before plotting the estimated position, let's review two important terms. Section 1. What is set? Set is the direction the current is pushing your vessel, expressed in degrees true. Think of it like the current's heading. If the set is 090 degree true, that means the current is flowing toward the east. Section 2. What is drift? Drift is the speed of the current measured in knots. It tells us how fast the water is pushing the vessel in the direction of the set. So, if the drift is 2 knots, that means the current is carrying the ship 2 nautical miles per hour. Example problem. Let's solve the following example. At 1800 hours, the vessel is at an initial position of 13 degrees, 01 minutes, north and 122 degrees, 18 minutes east. The vessel is steering a course of 090 degrees, true at a speed of 10 knots. The current has a set of 160 degrees, true and a drift of 2 knots. Your task is to determine the vessel's estimated position, or EP, at 1900 hours. The step-by-step procedure. Step 1. Plot the initial position. First, plot the vessel's initial position at 13 degrees, 01 minutes north, and 122 degrees, 18 minutes east. Label this point as the initial position. This is the vessel's known position at 1800 hours. Step 2. Plot the dead reckoning position. From the initial position, draw the vessel's course steered of 090 degrees true. To determine the distance traveled, use the formula distance equals speed multiplied by time. The vessel's speed is 10 knots, and the time traveled is 1 hour. Therefore, the distance traveled is 10 nautical miles. Using your latitude scale, measure 10 nautical miles, then transfer the distance onto the course line. Mark the endpoint as the dead reckoning position, or DR. This is the vessel's position if there were no current. Step 3. Plot the current. From the dead reckoning position, draw the current vector in the direction of 160 degrees true. To determine the distance the current carries the vessel, use the formula distance equals speed multiplied by time. The current drift is 2 knots, and the time is 1 hour. Therefore, the current distance is 2 nautical miles. Using your latitude scale, measure 2 nautical miles, then transfer that distance along the current direction. Step 4. Mark the estimated position. The endpoint of the current vector is the vessel's estimated position, or EP. Label this point EP. This is the vessel's expected position at 1900 hours after accounting for both the vessel's movement through the water and the effect of the current. And that's how you plot the estimated position using the set and drift. Remember these 3 simple steps. 1. Plot the dead reckoning position. 2. Plot the current vector from the DR position. 3. Mark the endpoint as the estimated position. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more maritime navigation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Fair winds and following seas.